Pregnancy and birth.
Human reproduction begins when a woman becomes pregnant. This requires two different sex cells, an ovum from the mother and a sperm cell from the father. Together, these cells contain about 24,000 different genes that the parents pass on to the baby. This genetic information determines the baby's characteristics, such as eye color and facial features.
Fertilization.
Fertilization occurs when a sperm cell joins with an ovum. During sexual intercourse, the man's penis is inserted into the woman's vagina and sperm cells are deposited there when the man ejaculates. The sperm cells move through the uterus and into the fallopian tubes. Only one sperm cell can fertilize the ovum. Then the ovum starts to divide and grow in size. It forms a ball of cells called a zygote.
From zygote to embryo.
After fertilization occurs, the zygote travels to the uterus. It attaches to the wall of the uterus and it continues to grow and divide. After 2 weeks, the zygote becomes an embryo. It continues growing and developing until it is about the size of a small grape or a raspberry.
From embryo to fetus.
At 9 weeks, all of the embryo's organs have formed and it becomes a fetus. The fetus floats inside a sac of amniotic fluid. This fluid protects it from impacts and accidents. The fetus is connected to the mother by the umbilical cord and the placenta. The placenta provides the fetus with oxygen and other nutrients. The placenta also absorbs carbon dioxide and other waste products that the fetus produces.
Labor and birth.
Pregnancy usually lasts about 280 days, which is 40 weeks. When the baby is ready to be born, the mother goes into labor. The muscles of the uterus start to contract. These contractions push the baby against the cervix, which starts to open. The amniotic sac breaks and the fluid is released. The baby is pushed through the cervix into the vagina or birth canal and then out of the mother's body. Most babies are born head first. The umbilical cord comes out at the same time. Doctors cut and tie the umbilical cord. This is where the baby's navel or belly button will form. Finally, the placenta or afterbirth separates from the wall of the uterus and leaves through the birth canal.